RHA's motto is putting the unity in community. But in order to be amazing community builders, you have to fill your cup before you can fill someone else's. When you think of self-care, what comes to mind? Do you think of treating yourself to a shopping spree? Or do you imagine taking a bubble bath and getting a massage? While these activities can offer a temporary respite from the day-to-day grind of being a college student, they may not always be the most sustainable forms of self-care. We invite you to think of self-care as a daily practice. Self-care starts by asking yourself, when do I feel like I am the best version of myself? Take a second to pause this video and write down some moments when you feel like the best version of yourself. Perhaps you feel like the best version of yourself when you're exercising. Physical activity stimulates brain chemicals that leave you feeling happier and more relaxed, providing an emotional lift and reducing stress. Exercise gives everyone a boost and can be especially helpful in alleviating symptoms of depression and anxiety. Exercise even improves our ability to fall asleep faster and more deeply. It may seem obvious that sleep is beneficial. We know that going without sleep for too long makes us feel terrible, and that getting a good night's sleep can make us feel ready to take on the world. In studies of humans and other animals, scientists have discovered that sleep plays a critical role in immune function, metabolism, memory, learning, and other vital functions. In short, sleep is an essential part of your self-care. Try to put away screens at least 30 minutes before you go to bed, as most phones and other screens emit blue light, which disrupts our circadian rhythm and prevents us from falling asleep. Consider incorporating meditation and mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Meditation can be as simple as putting your phone away for 10 minutes while you drink a cup of tea and focus on your breathing. There are also so many fantastic meditation and mood tracking apps out there that are meant to give you insight into your mental and emotional health. What do you like to do when you have time to yourself? What makes you feel relaxed? Perhaps you like to read a book or listen to an audiobook for pleasure and not for class. Maybe you like to play games with your friends. Maybe you like to cook and plan healthy meals for yourself. Part of self-care is also community care. Think about who makes up your community. Who do you identify as being a part of your community of love and support? Community care could look like calling your family or having a FaceTime session with your best friend. It could be asking someone to hold you accountable to your goals. Maybe community care is going to therapy or having a one-on-one with your RHA advisor. What does it look like for you? As we reach the end of this video, I invite you to close your eyes and focus on your breath for a few moments. As the sounds fade out, we invite you to continue thinking about what sustainable self-care and community care looks like for you.